Let's do an in-depth analysis for the day on gold. This video is also brought to you by Invest Social, a community where a group of traders come together to share, set up ideas, strategy, knowledge. It is also for analysts, developers who are looking to learn more and also contribute. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com to also learn one or two things. Now, when you take a look at this gold, we can clearly say gold is on a downtrend move. This is our trend on gold. Gold is on a downtrend move. Now, this is the rules of trading right here. First, you would want to know what your trend is. Second, you will now want to trade with the trend. With this movement on gold, we can clearly say gold is on a downtrend move. We are very much trending to the downside. Now, let's zoom it in just a bit. We did add a multiple rejection zone right here, whereby markets was able to drop and then there was a pullback right here and then markets eventually did drop. Markets was able to come back to test the same level. So we are to expect that drop back down. So we are to expect gold to come to a level of about 4,000, right? So it is currently trading at 4051, 4051. That is 4051. Let's see it drop to a level of 40000. It is most likely to drop lower. The possibility is still very much there. But due to the fact that today is Friday, I do not think we are to expect more or very major movement for the day on gold. But the movement will most likely play out more by next week. So next week we are likely to see more of the movement. If you find this video helpful, visit investsocial.com to learn more and also share your own insights.